Hello everyone, my name is Amelia and today I want to share with you how I make my own Yam Pearl milk tea, or more popularly known as Taro Q Bubble Milk Tea. This is inspired from koi, and if you are wondering, yes, this was made right after that circuit breaker announcement. Yes. Without further ado, let's start. We need 800 grams of yam and 1 to 1.5 cups of tapioca starch. This makes about a giant ziploc bag, so it will last you quite a while. We're going to start by washing and cutting the yam. You're going to cut the top and the bottom part away, and then cut them into smaller pieces and removing the skin too. Then, you're gonna wash and rinse the cut pieces about 3 to 4 times or until the water is clear. After that, we are going to transfer this to a bowl and let it steam. You are going to steam for at least 20 minutes, and here is the yam after 20 minutes. We are going to mash it using fork because that's the only masher I have at home. But as you can see here, it is still quite hard to mash, so I actually had to put it back to the steamer for another 20 minutes. And after that, it is a lot easier to mash. So just eyeball it. You are going to add those tapioca starch now and then mix it in slowly. You're going to start kneading afterwards. The more starch, the more chewy your pearl texture will be. This is quite a process, and I actually had to ask another person to help me. Thanks, husband. Once you're done kneading, start taking small bits off of the mixture and cover those that you are not working with to retain the moisture. Here you have the option to roll the dough to tiny cylinders, and after that, what I did was I used a knife to cut them into small pieces and then start rolling the edges off a little bit just to give it a little circle-ish shape. It doesn't have to look perfect because it is homemade anyway. And here is the pearl. You should prepare a plate with starch for all of the bubbles that you have rolled. Now let's move on how to cook the pearls. You are going to need boiling water and a bowl of ice water on the side. Throw the yam pearls over to the boiling water, and you're gonna wait until these bubbles resurface to know that they are done. This is how it looks like once it's ready. Quickly pick this up and then dunk them all into the cold water to stop the cooking process. Let it stay there for a while, about 5 minutes. After that, move these bubbles to a bowl filled with sugar. Roughly about 3 teaspoons here, but you can definitely add more. Let the bubble rest here for at least 15 minutes. The longer it is, the sweeter the bubble will be, and you can actually skip this process if you don't like your pearl to be sweet. For the milk tea, I have 750 ml of boiling water to 6 tea bags. The longer you steep the tea, the more flavorful your tea will be. Here is about 15 minutes. Then you're gonna add about 200 grams of creamer and then stir well. You can choose to add sugar here or later. I prefer later. To combine all of this into Taro Q Bubble Tea, you're gonna start with the pearl first at the base and then add your tea, followed by sugar or perhaps honey to your liking, and last but not least, ice. Lots of them, and then stir everything. You can enjoy these pearls with other dessert or even mix it with other types of drinks such as warm ginger drinks. The option is endless. That is pretty much it. Hope you find this helpful, and yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content. Hope you are all staying safe and staying home well. Bye!